I'm Anil Kumar. Welcome to my series on multiple choice questions. Now, we will try to understand how to find least marks for maintaining a particular average over many test papers. The question here is, Anil scored an average of 85% marks in his first 4 physics tests. What is the lowest score in percent that Anil can receive on the 5th test and still be able to have an average of at least 90% for the first 10 sets? 4 choices are given to you. You can always pause the video, answer the question, and then look into my suggestions. Now let's try to understand the question exactly. We need to maintain an average of at least 90% for the first 10 sets. So what we will assume here is that the marks are from 0 to 100. So first thing, we'll say that the marks are from 0 to 100, both included. So when we say 90%, we'll say 90 marks, right? So we'll work like this. Now since we want to have an average of at least 90% for first 10 sets, that means total marks will be how much? So total for 10 tests will be how much? 90 in each, right? 90 average. So 90 times 10. So we need total of 900 marks. Perfect. How many do we have? 85% marks in the first 4. That is the average. So in 4 tests, the total marks is 85 times 4, which is 4 times 5, 20, 32 and 2, 34. So many marks we already have. So what is the balance? So let's find out the balance, which is required. So balance is, let's take away, right? So when you take away, you get what? So when you take away from 10, 4 you get 6, from 8 we get 560. So we need 560 marks and we already have had 4. So we are worried about the 5th test and then we have plus 5 tests, right? So that will make 10, right? So this makes it 10. So 5th is the one more test, so that is the all. Now to find this answer, what we can assume is, what is the maximum marks in 5 tests? So we'll say, what is the maximum which Anil can score maximum in these 5 tests? That will lead to minimum in 5th. You get an idea, right? So the maximum you can score is 100. So that is to say that maximum marks which can be scored in 6th, 7th, 8th, 9th and 10th test is 100. So in those 5, that is what can be scored. So the balance, which is 60, is the minimum required for the 5th test. Correct? So that is how we get our answer. So I hope this concept is clear. So it is option B. So for all such questions, what you should do is, you are given the average value, find the total required from the number of tests as we've done here. See what average you have and how many tests you have already taken. So you have those marks in your bucket. Remaining, how can you score? What is the maximum which can be scored in the balance? So we get the minimum. So when we talk about the least required, then we have to look for the maximum attainable. And that's how you get your result, right? So I hope that makes sense. Feel free to write comments, share your views, and if you like and subscribe to my videos, that'd be great. Thanks for watching and all the best.